of English subject. Unit number 3, chapter number 23. For this, students, first open your Bal Bharati textbook. Take out page number 51. Students, while reading, keep your finger in the book. It will be very easy for you for reading. So let's start our reading today. Lesson number 23, page number 51, The Two Merchants of Seri. Once upon a time, in a place called Seri, there lived a merchant. He went from town to town selling pots and pans and other things made of brass and tin. He travelled every day with another merchant who also sold brass and tinware. But this other man was greedy. When he sold something, he sold it at a very high price. But when he bought something, he tried to give as little as possible. When the two merchants went into a town, they divided the streets between them. Each one went up and down the streets he had chosen, calling tinware for sale, brass for sale. People came out to their doorsteps and bought or traded with them. Only after one merchant had finished his business on that street did the other one made his rounds there. In those days, people did not always use money to buy things. Sometimes they exchanged things of the same value. In one house, there lived a poor old woman and her granddaughter. The family had once been rich, but now the only thing they had left of all their riches was a dish made of gold. However, the grandmother did not know it was a golden dish. The dish stood on a shelf among the other pots and pans and was not often used. Now, the greedy merchant passed this house calling, "Buy my water jars, buy my pans, buy my tinware." The granddaughter said, "Oh, grandmother, do buy something for me." "My dear," said the old woman, "we are too poor to buy anything. I have not anything to trade even." Today we will stop here. In the next video, we will complete the remaining lesson reading. Students, till the time you do the practice of this page number 51, whole page. I will take some hard words also. So you do the practice of that hard words also. It will be very useful for you in reading. Seri. This word is read as Seri. Merchant. Pots and pans. Brass. Tin. Tinware. Greedy. Price. Bought. Possible. Divided. streets, chosen, tinware, door steps, traded, business, exchanged, granddaughter, riches, grandmother, golden, dish, shelf, among, often. It's not often, it's often. T is silence. Often. Past, calling, water jars, buy. So these are the words which you have to repeat for improve your reading. Thank you, students. See you in the next video.